Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, we are going to be restoring one of the headlights on the front of the Porsche 911 996. Let's get to it.
Hey everyone, today we're going to be restoring this headlight. You'll see it's quite yellowed and faded. We can get this back to a nice shiny luster with a few easy steps. They have the headlight refurbishing kits that you can buy at the store. Those are simply just varying grades of sandpaper and then a polishing compound. So that's basically what they are. And then after you get done with this, you want to coat these with a UV protectant, because we're going to be removing all of the UV protectant on the plastic. So I've got just varying grits of sandpaper. I've got some 400. I may not use this. We'll only use this if I have to. But otherwise I've got some 1200. And then I've got, these are wet sanding cloths. So I've got 12,000. I've got them from 4,000 to 6,000, 8,000, and 12,000. So this is actually going to get a high shine on the car. And then after that, I will be grabbing my random orbital polisher, and I'll polish this up with some compound and wax.
So which one's this first?
This is 1200.
1200. And that's the coarsest of them all?
This is the coarsest, yeah.
Okay.
So when I'm going around this, I want to make sure that I pay special attention to the edges, because if this is all fine and clear and then you have this yellow ring around the headlight, it just doesn't look that good. So make sure you spend the time to go around the edges really well too. This is after the 1200, so I've gone all over the headlight. You'll see it turns a little bit milky. That's from the fine scratches that we're putting in there. Also, when we're wet sanding this, the stuff that was coming off, it initially came off really yellow, and then we cleaned it off and then did subsequent sandings until I was getting a nice white slurry coming off. So that let me know that I was through all the yellow. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to 4,000.
So that's the 4,000.
Yeah, this is the 4,000 grit.
And it's looking better already. I mean, it's still a bit cloudy, but
yeah,
even just going from the previous one to this one, 1,200 was it, to 4,000?
Yeah.
Such a difference.
I mean, when you look at it, when you look at what we started with to even right now, it's a world of difference. I mean, if you look at this to that,
yeah,
I mean, that's a world of difference just even now.
Yeah.
So yeah, I think it's going pretty good. I'm just making sure I got most of the 1200 scratches out before I move on to 6,000, but it looks pretty decent. So
And this is a real big deal for our build budget, right? Because a brand new light on its own is like $1,600
yes.
or more.
Yeah, absolutely.
Second hand, we're still looking at anywhere from 600 to $1,000.
Yes. these
So
lights are very expensive. So
Right.
if you can refurbish a light that you have, absolutely do it. This is what, probably $20 worth of material.
Yeah.
So.
All right. Steve, what we got?
All right, this is after 6,000. Touch it.
It's as smooth as a baby's bottom.
It is really smooth, and we still have 2 more grits to go.
It's not as smooth as my bottom, but
That is way too much information. Way too much information.
so what's next?
So next, we went through 4,000 and 6,000. Next we have 8,000 grit, and this is smoother than paper. So I forget what grit paper actually is, but I think paper is like 2,500. Actually, all this stuff is smoother than paper. So we're gonna go ahead and hit it up with the next grit.
You're doing a little bit of work today, Pat.
I'm the water boy.
You are the water boy.
All right, so we just hit it with 8,000 grit, and now it's starting to get its luster and it's really smooth. We're gonna hit it with 12,000 grit here, which is super, super smooth. If we look really close, I don't know if we can get in here, but there's still scratches on this. So this is by no means a perfect job, but we're about 20 minutes into this job. So we could, if we wanted to do a concourse restoration, I'd spend a whole lot more time with each grit and make sure that I didn't move on to one grit until all the scratches from the previous grit were out. That's the proper way to do it. This is going to be a good looking car. It's going to be, this headlight's going to look as good as new, even with some of these scratches in it. So yeah, we're going to rock and roll on to 12,000 grit. All right, so we just finished up with all the sandpaper. So this is what it looks like after only the sandpaper. It's nice and clear. It's relatively shiny and looks for a headlight that's got 170,000 miles on it. That looks pretty dang good. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna take the polisher and I'm gonna go over this with some polishing compound, and then probably we're gonna spray a UV protectant over that.
So what compound is this, Steve?
I'm using actually just my automotive Grills Correcting Clean, the Boss Best to Show system.
The Boss.
It
The
seems
Bruce
to-
Springsteen of
It's good for
creams.
removing defects off your paint, but it's also worked good for headlights for me in the past. So put 4 little dabs on your pad, and then low speed.
So what do you think, Steve? What do you think, Pat?
That's a brand new
I think
headlight.
that looks outstanding.
That basically looks like a brand new headlight.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yep. Even getting close up on it, I'm not seeing anything for scratches. I see a couple of little pits that we could have got out if we went with a more aggressive initial sandpaper. Just one little bit right here, but other than that, this thing looks brand new.
I mean, the sparkle is back in all
Yeah.
the reflection area.
Yep. So if you compare this to the other one,
Yeah, that's amazing. I mean, it's night and day. And there is no trace of yellow left. I can't see any yellow. So good. Good job, Professor Steve. and Waterboy Pat.
Water boy.
So now the Jet Seal sealant,
Yes.
and that's job done.
Yep. You want to do that?
You can.
Let's take a look.
You can finish off your job. Chemical guys.
Awesome. Hey guys, thanks for checking in. That was the end of our headlight video. We've got one that looks pretty much brand new now. We just need to get our hands on the passenger side light. More content coming soon. Stay tuned. We've got until Labor Day, self-imposed deadline to get this car done. We've got the paint job coming up. We've got rims arriving in the mail. We've got the Fister mufflers coming soon. We've got the transmissions put back in. We've got the interior. I'm scaring myself. There's so much to do. We're going to be pumping out the videos over the course of the next month, so stay tuned, like, subscribe, go to autoamateur.com and buy the merchandise, and we'll see you soon. Take care. Bye.